guys, welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, my name is Cass. Thank you so much for joining me. Right now I'm enjoying my macro bar because I'm starving. It is 11 o'clock and it is Saturday, August 31st, and I just want to do a weekend in my life type of vlog because I don't feel like I ever vlog the weekends. I more so just vlog the work week, but I just wanted to show you what my weekends are looking like. I just finished getting ready. We're gonna do some shopping today because I need to figure out what I'm gonna get my nephew for his first birthday, so we're gonna be brainstorming together. I'm gonna wear this with some jeans, but I just put on my leggings because we're not gonna go yet, but this top is from Abercrombie. So this morning I woke up at around 7:30ish, and then I started editing my YouTube video. I'm really actually not used to posting twice a week. When I started editing this video, I felt like I just did it because I did. I posted on Wednesday as well, so I was editing on Monday and Tuesday. So now I'm editing again and still have about 2 hours of footage left to go through. I had 3.5 hours total. I got through 1 hour, and so now I have 2 hours and 19 minutes left of footage to watch and edit. Every single time I edit a video, it's usually 3 to 4 hours, and somehow it just condenses all to 25 minutes. It's always in the 25 to 30 minute range. I need to figure out what I'm gonna get for my nephew's first birthday. I want it to be something very special. I don't want something that can just be like donated in the next couple of months because babies grow so fast. So I don't even think I'm gonna get him clothes. The first thought that came to mind, this is gonna sound really crazy, but hear me out, is I was thinking of getting something from a designer brand because they have a baby section, whether that's like a little blanket or a little, even they have toys. I just want this gift to be something that he can look back on. And I know it doesn't have to be designer, but I'm just so extra and I don't even know what the prices are because I have never looked into like designer kids things because I personally think it's ridiculous. But when I'm thinking of something that is extra special for a first birthday, that's what instantly comes to my head. I'm not someone that buys designer all the time. I do have designer pieces, don't get me wrong, but I don't constantly buy them because it's a lot of money. The last time I bought something was for my 24th birthday in Paris. I bought a Celine belt and that was the last time I got something, so it's been quite some time. You guys are gonna think I'm insane, but I just found the cutest baby items. They have these little wool caps because I don't want to go overboard. Like, I don't want to spend like hundreds and hundreds of dollars, and this could be something special. Obviously he'll use it and then it can be kept, something that they would want to keep, because if it was a normal cap they would probably use that as a hand-me-down to give it to the next person. They also have these little blankets and these cute little clothes. Obviously I'm not gonna get clothes because that is ridiculously priced. Hermes is obviously so expensive, but it's just fun to look at. So I'm gonna start cooking some breakfast, or basically lunch, but I'm gonna cook some eggs. And I wanted to show you what I got yesterday. So I've been starting to watch Korean drama, but only when it's dubbed in English over because I cannot pay attention to what's going on if I have to read every single thing they're saying. I first watched Queen of Tears, that's what set it up, and I loved it. It was really cute. And then the second one I watched was, I think it's called Hierarchy. That one was good. I finished that a few days ago, and then I just started watching The Glory, and these are all English dubbed over. It is getting a bit too vulgar, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep on watching. But anyway, so I'm watching The Glory right now. In the show, the main character always is eating kimbap, and it just made me crave it so much. Like, I was really craving Korean food, and I haven't had proper Korean food in a while, so I started looking and I got something Uber Eats. So I got this kimbap yesterday, and then I also got japchae, which is noodles. I also got the rice cakes with the sausage. I'm gonna eat this with 1 egg and it's gonna be delicious, and then some fruits on the side, just something random. I just hate wasting food, and I know that if I don't eat this right now I will never eat it, so I'm gonna eat it for breakfast or for lunch, and then we're gonna go shopping. You guys know I love this set. It comes with the holders, and so if you don't have a lot of storage like me, then you can stack all the pots and pans together and take off the handle so it doesn't take a lot of space. And it also comes with some lids, which I'll show you. They obviously come with the lids, but then also with the smaller pots, use these covers to put into the fridge so you don't have to transfer into a new pot. So when you're ready, you can just take it back out and heat it back up. But yeah, I always talk about this because it's so good, and I got my friends onto this and everyone loves it, and it's non-stick. It's really good. Over time, when my pans are going through it, but for the most part it lasted a really long time. I think the entire set was maybe $65 to $70, so very reasonable. And there's 3 pans, 2 pots, 2 covers, and 2 candles, so very worth it. Right, I am pretty much almost done getting ready. I'll show you my entire outfit after, but here is just the basics, wearing my Abercrombie jeans and this Celine belt. Now I just need to figure out the accessories. In my previous vlog, you guys saw that I got some new earrings from Third Tone, which is a small business that's a part of the Socialux Club. And I went to her pop-up last weekend. And I got these. These were gifted, and then I bought these. So I need to figure out which ones I should wear. I feel like I'm going more towards this one because it's more of a statement. They're so cute. These are her wedding collection. And then these would be the other ones. This is a flower. I feel like this statement is this one today. This is the look of the day. And then I'm also going to be wearing my Jacquemus purse. Fun fact, this was the first designer purse I've ever gotten, and I bought this as a congratulatory gift for right before I moved to New York, and this was kind of like my post-grad gift. Really cute, sleek, and I love how structured it is. It's a crossbody. You can adjust it. I'm just gonna put my necessities in here. I haven't worn this bag in so long. My watch from Fossil. I also need to do my nails. I'm gonna do them myself tomorrow because I have the machine and all the tools, because last time I got my nails done it was not a good experience. Putting on this little watch here, just transferring all of my necessities. So first I have my wallet or my card holder. I don't really carry cash, I mostly just carry my cards. I always have to pack Altoids because I just always love to have mints whenever I'm going somewhere. Hand sanitizer, this one is the only one that I use, not this specific scent but this brand, Touchland. And then I have my lippies. The first one that I always love is the Summer Fridays lip balm in pink sugar, and then this is the Rhode lip peptide in toast. Oh, I also have this lippy that I love. I might use this one instead of the Rhode one, and that is what's in my little bag. And then I'll adjust it so I can fit my camera inside. But let me show you the final look. This is the final look. I'm debating if I want this belt. I feel like it just looks way too much when I have the belt. I don't know, I don't really like wearing too many designer pieces at the same time. I feel like I just rather just have one. But yeah, I don't know. Debating because I feel like it just looks so much more casual with just this bag and that's it. Because I do have the earrings that makes a nice little statement as well. No, I'll show you guys what it looks like with the belt on. This is what it looks like with, and I also feel like my hair is down. Maybe I need to put it up. I just never wear my hair down, so when I do, it just feels like I need to wear less because it's adding so much. Here is the final verdict. I put my hair kind of in a half up, half down, clip in the back, and then took some of my bangs out. Did not go with the belt because I just felt like I wanted one thing that was black, and that was this. I felt like the belt and the bag was clashing a little bit, especially because there was gold here and then there was gold right here, so it was clashing. I'm gonna wear my white sneakers with this, and yeah, then I just put on more jewelry, put on my rings, my everyday rings, and that is the look. Alright, I found the beanies. Super cute. I really like this light blue color, but also this one's really cute too. But this one's more of like a gray, and then this one is a light blue. This is a small, medium, and large. I'm trying to figure out what size he would be. Definitely not a small, so I'm debating between a medium and a large, but it's very cute. And they also have this wool one. I am deciding on getting this wool one because it's more durable, and my nephew tends to like pull on things, and this one's really thin compared to this one. It's much thicker, so this one will last longer. We're at Saks Fifth, and I found this super cute Ralph Lauren set for him for 18 months, so it's perfect. Secured the goods, plus we went to the Japanese store, plus ate the chocolate pancake thing right before we left. Now we're going to our all-time favorite Thai place called Mr. Thai. The place is on 46th and 5th, I think. This is the hotel that I stayed at when I first moved to New York. I stayed there 3 nights as I moved into the new apartment.
France together. We have the like the tower.
So I just got back and I thought tomorrow was going to be a very just relaxing, chill day. I was wrong. Totally forgot that me and Kylie made some plans. It's supposed to be raining, but we're still going to do the plans. We're going to come over, we're going to have some lunch. We're gonna make some burgers. The guys are gonna grill. My apartment also has a hot tub, so even if it is a bit chilly, we can still hang out by the pool. But anyway, so got the gift today. Not gonna open it because it's nicely packaged, but this is what it looks like. Very pretty, and I think that they will love it. Labor Day, and yesterday I didn't really vlog much, just did a little montage. Kylie and Charlie came over, we had burgers, steak, a whole spread, and then I also made a little very makeshift charcuterie board. And so this morning I went to sleep, I don't know what time I went to sleep last night, but I woke up so late. I woke up at 9 o'clock. I was shocked when I saw what time it was when I woke up. So growing up, pretty much every single holiday, there was a lot of yummy food and a lot of celebration. Not so much Labor Day, but Easter, Thanksgiving, Christmas, like all of that. But today's Labor Day and we decided to make a whole spread again. So on the menu, let me show you. This is what's going on right now. I'm making some Korean chicken because that is the specialty in this household. I'm making some mashed potatoes on the side. So I was gonna make mac and cheese from scratch because I usually do, but then I was lazy, so I did some research, and apparently this brand, Annie's, is the best mac and cheese, like box mac and cheese that you can make. So I'm excited to try this out. The kitchen is a mess, but now I'm just adding some heavy cream and butter, and I'm gonna heat this up. The final look of the chicken. This is my family's Korean chicken recipe, and I grew up on this and everyone loves it. I would say it's my specialty. I have the potatoes here, and then this is the mixture with the butter and the melted butter with heavy cream. I'm just gonna pour this on top like this. Here's the final spread. Added a little bit more heavy cream plus some salt, mixed it all together. Here is the mac and cheese. I'm really excited to try it because apparently, like I said, best one you can get from a box. And then I have the Korean chicken. So this is what the lunch and dinner of the day looks like. So I'm about to do my nails, and I just wanted to show you my little setup that I have. So this is the light that I got from Amazon. I've had this for years and years and years. I got this in my freshman year of college, and that was like 7 or 8 years ago. These are things that all of these supplies aren't from college, but I just get the same ones. So these are the nail clips that I got from Amazon. You can just put the cotton pad with acetone and put the clip on so that the gel can come off easier. I was picking at my gel this morning, which is why it looks like this. Then these are the drill bits for the nail filer, the nail shaver, and I bought this from Amazon as well. And I only used this a couple of times, so I only recently got this. But so far, I like it. It's easier for it to take off because you are supposed to take off the first layer, I think, of the nail polish or the gel, and then you can go in with the acetone and the clips. So I'm gonna be using that as well. And this is my tray of polish here. I'm gonna do red, of course, so I have this. I got this from the website 162. This is the one that I actually use in the nail salon when I go back home to Hawaii. And then I have all my bases, so you have the bonder, top coat, base coat, and then you can also use cuticle oil after as well. And I have all of my tools here. Let's fix these nails because they are unwell, and I got them done I think like a few weeks ago. First things first, I'm going to take off the first layer of nail polish with the nail drill, and then I'm going to put on the cotton and the acetone and let it soak for about 15 minutes. Here is the finished nails. I don't even know if the lighting's picking it up. So the last step is to put on this nail surface cleanser, and this just takes off that sticky residue. So I'm just gonna see, all the cotton is sticking to my nails because I don't have it. And this also takes off any of the nail polish residue that didn't dry as well. My nails always feel really, or my hands and nails feel really dry every single time I do this because of the light and all of that. These are the finished nails.